In this video I'm going to show you how to send files on Instagram. As you can see, if we open our files on our phone and go to a random file, it doesn't matter which one, and we will select it, then go to share, you see there is no Instagram available over here. So what we need to do now is basically go back out of here and we will go to the App Store. There we will download Google Drive, and once you have downloaded it, open it and go there and upload the file you would like to share. So for now I will go to here, browse, and just choose a random one. I will choose this one. I have now uploaded the file. If I locate the file, then it will show up. As you can see, we can now click on the three dots over here. We will do that, and now we will click on copy link. So click on copy link, and now you have copied the link, and we go back to Instagram, and then we will send it to someone in the direct message. And that is how you basically send files on Instagram.